Hey friends, I got another haul for you today. I want to share some things that we got for Easter clearance at Target and a few other items at Hobby Lobby and a couple places. So as you guys know, I love doing holiday clearance to use next year or to use in other applications for other, gifts and holidays and things like that. So they had a bunch of these Easter gift baskets left over. I think they were 70% off, so they were only a few dollars, and we got a couple of them, and I think we're gonna give one of these away as a birthday gift or part of our birthday gift for a little girl in our family. It doesn't have anything like crazy expensive or cool in it. It just looks fun, and I don't know, I personally think these are kind of a rip-off at full price, but there's a puzzle, a frisbee, a ball, and a couple little outdoor toys like that, a little candy, and it's fun. They had some fun festive mugs on clearance. This says spring has sprung, and it's got these pretty colored polka dots all over it. And what's cool is, well, the outside is just flat, but on the inside there's like this ribbed texture on the inside, which is kind of interesting, kind of cute and neutral, and might make a fun gift to put a few items in and give to somebody for the springtime. Then we found these cute little party bowls. They're called egg bowls. They're by the Spritz brand, and they're just blue on the outside, and then on the inside they have this fun festive spring pattern with stripes, different like rosy, dusty pinks, white, and yellows. So these are really cute to use in different applications, I think, too, but especially for Easter, I can use this as like a mini gift basket and put some goodies inside of it, and then wrap the whole thing in a little like clear bag. They would make good like breakfast bowls to have like fruit and oatmeal in them, or if you're having like an Easter party, maybe next year we can use these as like dessert bowls and everybody can have their ice cream or whatever festive treat we're doing. And I went to Hobby Lobby and they had a ton of different Easter things on sale. I was very tempted, but I'm trying to like restrain myself. So I only ended up getting 2 of one thing. As you guys might agree, they overprice things at Hobby Lobby, and everything's kind of discounted. These were 90% off though. So originally $23.99. So I got them for just over $2, but they could be used in different, not just for Easter, but they're really cute and be great for different gift baskets. They had a smaller size, I think that was like $17 originally, so like $1.70 on sale, but I just really loved this fun teal color. I like that they're pretty decent size and unique, so I had to get them. I love to shop holiday clearance at Hobby Lobby and Target. Both of those, at least where I live, they will most often get to like 90% off, and so you can score some good deals for next year. Okay, on to some Easter Christmas clearance. We're having fun checking out the summer section in all the stores, Walmart, dollar store, all that, and I thought this was really cute. So my kids love like rubber duckies, that kind of thing, but this is a unicorn with a gold horn, and it's like a mama one with little like babies on the back. So there's 3 little mini ones that can fit on her back. I thought this would be really fun as like a pool toy. $6.99, but I think everything was like 40% off. So not bad for a little ducky unicorn bath or pool toys. And then between like the summer stuff and like gardening stuff, I found some cool like body luxuries, aromatherapy type stuff. So these are weighted neck wraps. So they remind me of like those weighted neck pillows or forehead pillows. Can be used for different applications, for relaxation, to soothe headaches. But I thought that they were really cute. They're this pastel blue with polka dots. They're pretty expensive in a lot of different places, but these were just over $10. And I thought they were cute and could make good gifts, and the packaging on them is pretty darling. So I did get 2 of those. I might keep one for myself. A couple little random things in the summer section. They had glow-in-the-dark rings, which can be fun. It says for camping, fireworks, dance parties. Anyway, I liked the idea of doing it for camping. We have little headlamps for all the kids to wear, and something like this will come in handy. Speaking of camping, I recently picked up just from Brawlham's, our local grocery store, the like skewers to roast stuff on the campfire, except they're the collapsible kind, which I've been looking for something like that for a while. It's hard to store the normal ones in, all of our camping storage. They don't fit in things very well. So I grabbed 4 of these, one for each of our family, and they've got little covers to protect you from the like sharp end, and they collapse into something very compact and tiny and useful. So those are going to be really nice to throw into our camping gear. This little hydrating facial mask, Follow Your Rainbow, and it's got a little pocket with a rainbow in it. I thought this was cute. I picked it up because I'm always looking for creative things to put into letters that I mail to people, because we have a lot of family and friends that aren't close and it's expensive to ship things. And so lightweight little things that I can stick into an envelope and still get away with putting 1, maybe 2 stamps on it is cool. So I wanted to try mailing a face mask and see how that goes. Into the gardening section, they had a lot of really cool things. I loved this spray bottle that you could also use as a watering can. So it's like a dual use thing. They had a couple different colors. I just love looking at any garden section in any store. But I had been looking for a long time for a good garden hat, and I originally wanted like a straw hat, but what's nice about this one is you can fold it up and throw it into your bag. It stores more conveniently than a straw hat, so I think I want to try this one. It has little like venting for like airflow a little bit, so that's nice because your head will get all sweaty without some airflow. So there's like little vent things for that, and there's a place to like pull it to tighten it on your head more, and then little snaps if you want to put the sides up and adjust it. And then what I really like is the strap to put under your neck, because when you're outside gardening, winds can come in, and you know, I've lost my hat before, so having that is really key. So it'll keep me safe from the sun, but I think it has like good airflow, so hopefully we'll like that. I'm so excited for the gardening season, you guys. I have seedlings started. I maybe started them a little too early, especially like the tomatoes and peppers, because I was reading how really you should start them not the time frame they tell you before your last frost, but really you should count back the weeks from when the nights are only like down to like the 50s. That's okay. I'm having to pot some of them up into bigger pots, which is fine, and I'm still enjoying it, and I think I might give some of them away to some family that like to grow tomatoes, because I probably started more than I need. Anyway, just nerding out about that. I'm so excited. Okay, now we've got a couple things. This I just picked up at the drugstore, actually, at Walgreens, but it's just a faux plant. My cousin that I'm redoing her room for, we're really gonna jump into like the dusty pinks and doing that style. And so I liked the pink color of the pot, and it's kind of speckled. And then she loves succulents too, specifically like mostly faux succulents, since you know, they don't require any maintenance at all, and you can find some pretty realistic looking ones. So I picked that up for her. I like that the pot is pretty narrow, so it'll be easy to like tuck into smaller areas on like shelves and things. This was from Hobby Lobby. I love the, you know, organic abstract look of it, and then it's just neutral white. I want to have some neutral accessories in my cousin's room, so I like this one. You know, I might put some fresh flowers in it or something dried and fake, so she doesn't have to maintain it at all, but I just think she might like the look of this guy. And at Hobby Lobby I also bought this for her. It's just this cool like wicker rattan candle stand, and so then it's got like a glass insert, so nothing is gonna heat up or melt onto the actual stand. But I thought it was cute and kind of fits the vibe that we're going for. I really want to focus on textures and variations on like a dusty pink color, so I think this will pair nicely with that. All right, I think that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed getting a little peek at what I've been picking up lately. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see more and get to see that room makeover coming up soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. I only have 2 weeks left to get it done, so bye.